Hello.
Hello, good morning. I'm phoning about your advert for you wanted a dishwasher.
Oh, yes.
Do you still want a dishwasher?
Whereabouts are you?
I'm in Adelaide. I'm available.
Sorry?
I'm available. When would you like me to start?
Oh, no. I need a dishwasher as in a machine.
Yes, I wash dishes like a machine.
Yeah, no. Sorry, I can't pay you.
I'm a good dishwasher. I've worked at many restaurants.
Yeah, but I can't pay you.
But you're going to buy one anyways.
Yes. I need one for my daughter.
I'll wash your daughter.
No. Sorry, it's the wrong thing. No. You don't understand.
No, I understand.
I can't pay you.
I'm specialist in plates, porcelain, china, antique china. I wash with great care. Knife, fork, spoon.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. Thank you for your call. Bye-bye.
Hello.